In this video, I want to expand your options and show you that there is a gas-free marketplace on OpenSea where you can create and sell your NFTs without having to pay any gas fees. So not a lot of people actually know this, but there are multiple blockchains you can use when using OpenSea. The first and the most popular is the one we've gone through plenty of times so far in the course, which is the Ethereum blockchain. 99% of the biggest projects that you would have heard of in the NFT space, they are all going to be built on the Ethereum blockchain, primarily because it's the most popular out there. However, we do have other options such as the Polygon blockchain, and we have another option below of the Clayton blockchain as well. And the one I'm going to be focusing on is this one right here, Polygon. So what is Polygon? Polygon is basically a layer 2 solution, and it works with Ethereum to address many of the problems that Ethereum has, such as the high gas fees. And let me show you how this ties in with OpenSea. So if we go over to OpenSea, then go to Explore, and then go to All NFTs, this is going to list all of the NFTs currently on sale. However, I want to go to Chains on the left-hand side, and then click Ethereum. And as you can see, there is 19.7 million items listed on the Ethereum blockchain in total. That is a lot of NFTs. If I then clear my Ethereum blockchain filter, and then go ahead and select Polygon, you can see there is 7.1 million NFTs on the Polygon blockchain. So there's still a lot of NFTs, but there's nowhere near as many NFTs on Polygon as there is on Ethereum. And that is because Ethereum is way more popular. And you can view this in two ways, right? You can see it as, hey, there's less NFTs on Polygon. So if I list an NFT on Polygon, I don't have to pay any gas fees, and it's more likely for someone to see my NFT, and I have less competition to fight against. And yes, whilst that is true, you also need to bear in mind that because Polygon is less popular, it can also take you longer to generate a sell. Another thing which you need to be aware of is if you list an NFT for sale on the Polygon blockchain, then the only people that can buy that NFT are people that have cryptocurrency that work with the Polygon blockchain. If I open up this one and give you an example, I'm not sure what this is. It's a stoned Santa Polygon, but you can see right here I have the option to buy this for 0.04, and this isn't 0.04 ETH. If you hover over this symbol right here, you can see it says ETH on Polygon. So for customers who want to buy this NFT, they need to have ETH on Polygon. They can't use a standard Ethereum currency. Let me give an example by clicking the buy now. If I click buy now and then click confirm checkout, you will see that to buy this NFT, I need to deposit Ether into Polygon. So I can't buy this with my original Ethereum. Now this is another hurdle that buyers have to go through, and it can add more friction as there is more hoops for that buyer to jump through. But as you can see below that, it says once you deposit Ethereum into Polygon, you won't need to pay a transaction fee, aka a gas fee, again for future Polygon purchases with your deposited Ethereum. So if I end up depositing 1 Ethereum and I buy this for half an Ethereum, I have 0.5 Ethereum left where I can buy other NFTs on the Polygon blockchain without paying any fees. However, once my money runs out and I want to buy more NFTs on the Polygon blockchain, I will have to deposit more money into cryptocurrencies that work on the Polygon blockchain. Which, by the way, if you're wondering what cryptocurrency that is, it's a cryptocurrency called Matic. That is a token you use when using Polygon. So if you already have Matic in your Coinbase or Binance account, you can send that over to your wallet as I showed you earlier on in the course, and then you can use that to make a purchase. However, just how you have to do that, the customer also has to do that as well. So that is something definitely you want to bear in mind if you plan on listing NFTs on the Polygon blockchain. However, if you are looking for a cheaper alternative where you don't have to pay any gas fees when you are creating and selling NFTs, then you definitely want to consider the Polygon blockchain. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. And in the next one, I'll be showing you how you can list an NFT on the Polygon blockchain. See you soon. Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell an NFT on the Polygon blockchain. So I'll be using the same NFTs we already created earlier on in the course, as pretty much when you create the NFT, it's exactly the same process you would follow as we already ran through. The only difference is when you come to list the item on OpenSea. So let's go back to OpenSea. I'll go over to my profile and then go over to collections. And here we have my original collection, which I created earlier on in the course. This collection is on the Ethereum blockchain. So we can't add an NFT to an existing collection on another blockchain and have that NFT on another blockchain. We need to have a dedicated collection for that specific blockchain. So let's go ahead and click create collection. I will have to sign in and just authorize it is actually me. So let's click sign. For the logo image, just give that a select and then go to my desktop and go for NFTs. Let's go for this one as the logo image. Again, this is just for the purpose of this trading course, just to show you how to create an NFT on Polygon. For the featured image, again, I'll go for the same image. And for the banner image, I mean, let's go for the same image as well. It doesn't really matter. Again, obviously, make sure you follow what I showed you earlier on in the training when it comes to actually creating the logo, featured image, and the banner image as well. I have already ran through all of that, and I really do not want to duplicate the course just for the sake of making it longer. That isn't my style. Let's go for a name for this collection. Let's go with Josh's Bear for the Polygon world. And it's available as well. What are the chances of that? URL, I will go for the same thing as my project name, just for consistency. I will need to remove all of these spaces and put in dashes between it. So I'll just fast forward this quickly so you don't have to watch me do this. And just like that, that has now been done. Description, again, follow the same thing I ran through in the previous sections of the course. Try and be as descriptive as possible. For the purpose of this training video, I'm going to go with the description. I hope you are enjoying this course. Next, we have a category. So I will select art, as clearly my NFT is a piece of art. Of course, if you have a piece of music which you'd like to upload as an NFT, then go ahead and select music. But for this purpose, I will be going for art. If you already have a website built out which talks about your NFT collection, your project, who you are, your team, your roadmap, go ahead and include a link there. However, like I said earlier on in the course, creating an NFT project which does well is going to require a lot of time and resources. So 9 times out of 10, you're just better off uploading your individual pieces of art or music as NFTs. So for now, I will leave all of this blank. My creator earnings, so how much commission do I want to earn if someone sells my NFT onto someone else after buying it from me? I will go for a commission of 2.5%, as that is definitely on the lower end. The higher your creator commission, the less likely people are actually going to buy your NFT, as they know if they sell it at a later date, they're going to have to pay additional fees. Your wallet payout address is going to be the same wallet we ran through earlier on in the course. To find out your wallet address, just go over to MetaMask and then click copy right under here where it says your account name. Let's click copy and then paste that in here. So whenever my NFT sells, the money is going to be sent to this wallet address. Now, this is where the magic happens. You can see we have an option right here for blockchain. At the moment, it is set to Ethereum, as that is a default. However, we can select this and change it from Ethereum and go to Polygon. And as you can see, the token has also changed to Ethereum on Polygon. Now, you can actually use quite a few cryptocurrencies when working with the Polygon blockchain. So you can add some more tokens as well, such as DAI. Let's go for USDC, and let's also add Rev as well. So these are different cryptocurrencies that customers can own to purchase your NFT on the Polygon blockchain. Now remember, although we have multiple options right here for the Polygon blockchain, Polygon on the whole, along with all of these cryptocurrencies, they are less popular than Ethereum. However, we want to give our customers as much option as possible. Lastly, we need to go with the display theme for our collection. Let's leave it on contained. And I've got an error where I can't click create. It's probably going to be due to my URL in capitals. Yep, let's go ahead and just change this to lowercase. And now you can see this URL is valid. It was simply in capitals before, as I've copied my name above, pasted it in the URL, but you're not allowed capital letters in your URL. So if I scroll down now, I should be able to create this collection. Let's go ahead and click create. And just like that, I now have my new collection, Josh's Bear for the Polygon world. If I actually open up this, it will open up the collection page where you can see it's now time to add an NFT to this collection page. So let's click add item. Let's then upload the NFT which you'd like to have in this collection. I will go for this angry bear once again, which, by the way, just to confirm, you don't want to be uploading the same NFT in different blockchains. You ideally want to have your mind set on one blockchain and then upload your NFT in that collection. That way there is no overlap and people can own the original of each NFT. So for the item name, I will go for Angry Polygon Teddy. Why not? There is no external links. For the description, let's go with The Teddy is angry as he calculated that he spent over $10,000 on gas fees, which is why it's on the Polygon blockchain, but that will do as a description. Make sure you apply it to the right collection, which of course mine is going on the right one, Josh's Bear for the Polygon world. You can add in some properties about this as well. So let's go and add a couple. Let's go for chain. So I'll put in a chain, and this Teddy is wearing, it's a gold $ chain. So we'll just put in gold $. What else is unique about this Teddy? Let's put he's got a laser gun. That would be pretty cool. Let's just put the character. We'll go for a gun, and he has a laser gun. Let's add one more. This is just properties of the NFT we've created. So we've got a plaster on the head. So we can go for plaster. And where is that plaster? Let's just say it's on the head. And then click save. So I've added in 3 properties just to give this a bit more detail when people review this NFT on OpenSea. You can add some other really cool stuff as well, such as unlockable content. A lot of people seem to be doing this these days, and it basically just increases the perceived value of that NFT. However, you can use it for a lot of real cases as well. Imagine you are selling a digital piece of art, and this is art you've created based on a real one you've drawn yourself in the real world. So when people buy your digital artwork, they can also get information after the purchase, which will give them information on how they can acquire the real artwork in the real world too. So that is a really good option OpenSea provides you with as well. I'm going to leave that just for the purpose of this video. There is no explicit content as part of this NFT, so I will leave that blank. Supply, well, there's only going to be one angry Teddy on the Polygon blockchain. Again, just make sure you have the right blockchain selected. I don't want to freeze any of my metadata. So lastly, all we have to do is go ahead and click create. And just like that, we have now created our angry Teddy, and it exists on the Polygon blockchain. And we can scroll down the page and go to properties, expand this menu, and we can see the properties we've added. The chain is the gold $, it's got a laser gun, a plaster head, which is a new trait. So if I was to go ahead and add more NFTs to this collection and some of them didn't have the plaster, these numbers would automatically generate and give a percentage, which is how you know if an NFT is going to be rare or not. So that is pretty much it. The only thing which you need to do different when it comes to listing NFTs on Polygon is make sure you select the Polygon blockchain. The rest of the process, especially creating the actual NFT, that is exactly the same as we already ran through earlier on in the course. In summary, you now know about another blockchain, which is Polygon, and you know how to sell NFTs on that blockchain and avoid gas fees. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.